Hey friends, if you encounter YouTube green screen problem on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I have divided the solutions in two categories. The first one is with the computer and the second one is with the browser. Okay, so as for the computer level resolutions, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then you can change the display resolution to the recommended one. Simply pick the recommended one, don't go for any other one, because it may be 1920 by 1080. For me it may be a different resolution on your computer. It depends from screen to screen. Just pick the recommended one blindly, otherwise it will impact all apps, not just YouTube. The next one is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager from the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. Now coming to browser level resolutions, you will have to disable hardware acceleration. And how would you do that? So let us say it is the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Type acceleration. Okay, and you'll find this option for use use graphics acceleration when available. It's the same as hardware acceleration. Simply disable it and restart the browser. The procedure is exactly the same for Google Chrome and any other Chromium based browser. And the last solution is to obviously disable content blocking extensions. So open Edge or Chrome or any Chromium based browser or any other browser, and then click on these three dots and select extensions. Manage extensions. Now there would be a lot of extensions here, but some of them would be ad blockers and content blocking extensions. Disable them. Check if it helps. If it does, permanently remove them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.